my channel Pixel Kids Play and Learn.
Welcome to Learning Opposites with Fun. Today we're going to learn about opposite words. Let's get started. Hi friends, do you know what opposite words are? Opposite words are words that mean the exact opposite of each other. Let's learn some together.
Big. Small. Look at this big elephant and this small mouse. Big and small are opposites. Fast. Slow. Here's a fast cheetah and a slow turtle. Fast and slow are opposites. Hot. Cold. The sun is hot and the snowflake is cold. Hot and cold are opposites. Happy. Sad. This face is happy, and this one is sad. Happy and sad are opposites. Up. Down. The balloon is going up and the ball is going down. Up and down are opposites. Open. Close. This door is open and this one is closed. Open and closed are opposites. Day. Night. It's bright during the day and dark at night. Day and night are opposites. Loud. Quiet. The drum is loud and the baby is quiet. Loud and quiet are opposites. Tall. Short. The giraffe is tall and the rabbit is short. Tall and short are opposites. Clean. Dirty. This shirt is clean and this one is dirty. Clean and dirty are opposites. Full. Empty. This glass is full and this one is empty. Full and empty are opposites. Near. Far. The cat is near the tree and now it's far from the tree. Near and far are opposites. Heavy. Light. The feather is light and the rock is heavy. Light and heavy are opposites. Wet. Dry. This sponge is wet and this one is dry. Wet and dry are opposites. Smooth. Rough. The pebble is smooth and the rock is rough. Smooth and rough are opposites. Right. Left. This hand is pointing right and this one is pointing left. Right and left are opposites. On. Off. The light is on and now it's off. On and off are opposites. Inside. Outside. The boy is inside the house and now he is outside. Inside and outside are opposites. Start. Finish. The race starts here and finishes there. Start and finish are opposites. Young. Old. The boy is young and the grandparent is old. Young and old are opposites. More. Less. This basket has more apples and this one has less. More and less are opposites.
Hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. Please share with your family, friends, and others. Do like, share, and subscribe.